Is email marketing still an effective strategy? Email marketing is up to 40 times more effective than social media, according to a study done by McKinsey & Company. The same study also shows that the buying process happens 3 times faster than in social media. Moreover, it is also said that they prefer to receive business information via email. To contradict the rumor that dictates the death of email marketing, according to the Radicati Group, the number of email users will grow to 3 billion in 2022. Email marketing also allows you to perform A and B split testing. This helps you understand which email works best for your list, allows you to target your list audience more accurately, increases the engagement of your list with your offers, lets you send emails weekly, bi-monthly, or monthly. We recommend more often than that. So yes, we believe email marketing is still an effective strategy. Make sure you click the link below and pick up the free one-page website that will build your email list for you 24 hours a day, even while you sleep, work, and play.